projects that we have put together on the $1.5 billion list and down to the $234 million short list are really projects already in MDT's program, and this is very important. We wanted to make sure that the projects were consistent with our asset management. These projects have already been approved by the Commission, and they've already gone through public involvement. In the most cases, very few of them, almost the entire environmental process is done, and the right-of-way is done, and the design is done. There are some projects on the list that may need to require additional right-of-way, and they may need to have some polishing up on some designs. $211 million comes to the Montana Department of Transportation. We need to nominate projects that we expect to complete. By the time we bid, they need to be done in 3 years. We need to consider economically distressed areas when we're putting our projects together. And we need to look at the timing of those projects. Can they meet that 50% and the February 17th? And what are they doing for creating jobs? $211 million translated down in the most conservative forms of information that we've received from the federal government is about 6,000 jobs that it will create and sustain above and beyond our current construction program.
For a total stimulus package of $1.2 billion, meaning somewhere around 48% of this $1.2 billion comes to Montana in the form of benefits to Montana taxpayers. 97%, 408,000 out of 420,000 Montana individual income taxpayers are expected to benefit from these federal tax cuts. These cuts are huge, and the dollars are focused on the middle class in Montana and across America. The primary benefit in the stimulus bill is in the form of $344 million to Montanans. Comes from the Making Work Pay tax credit and retiree credits that provides middle-class households with $800 per couple or $400 for a single person, and $250 in one-time payments to eligible retirees. That's 70% of the individual tax breaks. 60% of the total tax reductions are in the form of this Making Work Pay tax credit and the special retiree benefits.